Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you know that we are covering GHL thoroughly in our week 2, and today in our week 2 we are going to cover another most important topic, which is named as opportunities and pipelines. Yes, opportunities and pipelines, you can understand that it is types of stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and inside those stages we have contacts, our leads or our customers. So now maybe there is a question arises that how these stages helps with our contacts, or dealing with our contacts, or what is the difference between the contacts and the opportunities. So let's move towards GHL screen and let me show you that how actually opportunities appears, and let me resolve your queries as well. Okay, let's move towards GHL screen. Okay guys, we are inside Go High Level and let's move towards opportunities. So on the left side where you can see my arrow and there is a name written called opportunities, we will simply click on it. Yes, so now we are inside opportunity and you can see that there are a lot of tables having columns. Okay, so these columns, when we join them, it is called pipeline. Okay, so this pipeline has stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and so on till to the last stage named as no call attended by the lead. So this whole is called pipeline. Okay, and now we are inside pipeline named as outbound calling. Okay, and let me tell you that what is actually the pipeline. So inside the pipeline we keeps our contacts, that it is just like and inside a game you may know that you are on stage 1, now you are on stage 2, now you are on, just like levels on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So when you have a fresh lead, it will be on level 1, and when you make progress with that lead, the level of that lead will get arises. Similarly here, when you have a new lead, it will be on stage 1, and when you contacted your lead via SMS, via email, or any type of medium between you and your customer, it will be moved towards stage 2. Okay, similarly every business has multiple stages, every business has different stages, so that lead will move to between these stages, and this help us to keep the track that where our customer lies. Okay, for example, if I have 1,000 customers and I have to call each customer. Okay, so the customers who attended my call for the first time will get added inside yeah, inside this one. Where was that? Okay, I think that was not here, but yeah, this one, meeting not booked. Okay, all the customers who attend my call will get added here, and all the customers who did not attend my call, maybe their number is busy, maybe their number is off, will all get here that called first time and not attended. So it will make a differentiate between the customers which are, you can say, good customers that are attending my call, and a bad customer that are not attending my call. Okay, so you can divide your contacts between multiple stages, and you can update your stage or update the stage of your contact depending upon the conditions. Okay, so this is actually what is about the what are about the pipelines and what is about the stages. Now what is the difference between a contact and an opportunity? Here inside a pipeline, this card is called opportunity. The card you can see here is called opportunity, and opportunity will be created upon contacts. Okay, means if this is a card or this is an opportunity, then the name here you can see is Maz Akram is a contact. Okay, now the difference between this card and or this opportunity and a simple contact is that simple contact is just like a database, a simple database. There are no mathematical formulas applying on that contact, mean that contact is on its place without any movement. But if you talk about the opportunity, then opportunity is inside a process. Okay, means when your contact is inside a process, it is called opportunity, and when your contact is free, then it is called a simple contact. Okay, and let us move towards creating a new pipeline. Okay, so how we can create a new pipeline is that we will move towards pipeline inside this heading. Yes, so now we are inside the pipeline, and here you can see create new pipeline. I will simply click on it. Let's name it a pipeline, like a trial pipeline, and I'm going to create it in our YouTube videos. New leads can be treated as new student, and contacted can be renamed as watched week 1. Similarly, week 2, and similarly for week 3. Okay, so I've created this, and let's create the pipeline. You should remember the pipeline name. So pipeline has been created. Okay, and let me tell you that what we had did just right now is that new student is stage 1, watch week 1 is stage 2, watched week 2 is stage 3, and similarly this is stage 4, means level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Okay, so now why I created this, let me explain you that. Is let me select that trial TRI, yeah, this one. So the new student who have not watched any video will get added inside new student. Okay, and those students who has watched my videos for week 1 will get added, will remove from new student and get added inside watched week 1. And similarly, if those students who has watched my week 2 videos will get added inside week 2 and get removed from week 1. Okay, similarly everything will going to be happen. And now we will see that how you can add new opportunity or new, or you can see how you can convert your contacts inside an opportunity. You will simply click on add opportunity, and here you can select the contact, and I am selecting Dawood Ansar. And here you can stage can be new student, he is a new student, so I created it. Okay, and it has been created. Daud Ansar has appeared as new student. Now Daud Ansar has watched all my videos of week 1. So what I will simply do is that I will move it from here stage to the next stage. Okay, the contact has moved successfully. Perfect. Now Daud has also watched my week 2 videos, so I will simply move it from here to this stage, and similarly from here to the last stage when he completed my course. Okay, so now let's move next, and what we are going to do is that first of all you have to make very clear concept of these stages. Okay, because currently I'm moving this stage or this card manually, but when you learn how to use the workflows, this card will be moved automatically. Okay, and this is all about the pipelines and the opportunities. And furthermore, if I add an extra information here, is that you are going to track your leads as well. As I initially as I told you that you are actually tracking your customers, that on which level your customer is staying at. Okay, similarly other than that, you can also take a view of the revenue you are generating from your lead. Here you can see dollar sign, so this will tell you that how much revenue you have been created on every stage. Okay, this is another most important point. And similarly you can create multiple pipelines for multiple businesses, multiple pipelines for multiple tasks, and in our next coming videos we will also integrate these pipelines and these opportunities inside our you can say workflows as well. And now let me show you the dashboard for this screen as well. On these three dots you can click on that, and you can see dashboard insights. You will simply click on it, and here you can see that how many opportunities are there inside this pipeline, and how many opportunities are remaining, how much you are earning from each opportunity, and things like that. Okay, and also that as you have already learned about the custom fields, So let me open this card and let me show you that how this card appears. Here you can see the name of the contact is there, the primary email is there, the phone number is there, and similarly other information. Similarly, here is the appointment. All the information related to the appointment is here. Tasks are here, notes, payments. Means all the information you can add against any opportunity. Similarly, as we do in the context, similarly we are getting this feature inside the opportunity as well. Okay, but what if we want to add some extra information, means extra custom fields? Yes, we can add that as well. Similarly, what you can do for that is that you will open this card just like this, and you will go to the add and manage fields. You will simply click on it, and from here you will go to the folders. Inside the folders, from here you will select opportunity, and now you can add field. Okay, I will simply click on add field. It can be a single line field, and let me move to, okay, let's make it drop down. Yeah, let's test how we can actually make a drop down. So inside the opportunity, from where you want to add this extra custom field, I will click on additional info, and now option 1 is week 1, and I want to another option which is week 2, another option which is week 3. Done. Okay, field name is known as week videos. Okay, everything is done. Now click on save button. Now a new custom field has been added inside your opportunity. You will simply go to opportunity and pipelines from here, and inside Dawood we have to go toward additional info. Okay, so it is not appearing here right now. Where we are, Oxygen Media, yes. Booking and appointments. Let us check again that way we are at that stage. Business tags. Let us review it. I think we need to refresh our page, then we will get appear for that. Opportunity detail. Let us create add field, drop down, next, group, this contact, general info, additional info. I don't know why it is not getting. Okay, from here we have to select opportunity, object opportunity, and now inside opportunity details, now we will add week 1. You have to select opportunity inside object as well. Okay, remember this, week 2 and week 3. Now let's hit the save button. Okay, week videos, click on save button, and our custom field has been added inside the opportunity details. Now let's move towards the opportunity and let's see what's appearing there. And yes, you can see that week videos appeared here, and you can select you are in week 1, click on week 1 and click on save button, or you can say update. So now this thing has been added inside your opportunity card. Okay, similarly, if you want to view your contact which is in this card, so you will simply go to this name and click on it. It will open the contacts against the same name or the same lead which is showing inside opportunities. Okay, so guys, this is all that I want to tell you regarding this in this part 1. Furthermore, in part 2 we will dive deep inside the opportunities and we will learn more about them. Have a good day. Bye bye.